Hello, my Denture community. I hope everyone's doing good and feeling good. Let's do this gifting for one lucky. This gifting starts today, which is March the 29th. It ends April the 5th. Your comment is your entry. I will not respond to anyone but to that one lucky. Good luck. Just a friendly reminder, anyone, and I do mean anyone, can enter my giftings. I have no problem if you're a denture wearer or not, if you're subscribed or not. I just love giving back. This stuff smells really good, ladies. Even if you don't keep this for yourself, it makes an awesome gift. It definitely does. How sweet are you?